Hello guys, first of all, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful collection of hand embroidered designs for dresses. All of these hand embroidered designs are very beautiful and at the same time they give a very classy and elegant touch to the wearer. The beauty and creativity of these designs is that they are simple, easy, lightweight and the wearer feels comfortable, breathable and classy. Now guys, let's move towards our content that what is the main requirement of making these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery. Guys, you can use wool for making these patterns of hand embroidery to give a more 3D type of thick patternized look. If you want to give a very thin, matte and very sleek look, then you can use anchor or DMC. And if you want to give a shining touch to the whole embroidery pattern, then I must suggest you to use silky threads because silky threads give a more formal touch. You can also increase the beauty of these very beautiful patterns of embroidery by using beads, pearls, and sequins to give them a more creative and formal look. All of these patterns are new, simple, easy to make, beginner friendly, and the designs are totally comprised of 1 to 2 hand embroidery stitches, which makes them more beautiful and creative. So I would recommend you and suggest you to do try these patterns. Different type of stylized patterns have been used. Simple bot neck embroidery, yoke style embroidery, side long neckline embroidery, all over separate type floral embroidery. So different patterns have been used like side neckline embroidery with the use of very simple and basic easy stitches like lazy daisy stitch, satin stitch, twisted knots, French knot, and some simple and basic easy touches of Brazilian embroidery. So guys, I would recommend you to do watch the video till end so that you could get all the stylish, amazing and beautiful ideas and leave comments below the comment section so that we could get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you in our new upcoming videos. And if you have already subscribed, then subscribers are very important. Then please, 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 you can also subscribe from number of other devices as well. And don't forget to like and stay tuned for the new and latest upcoming videos because we try our best to share beautiful and creative designs with you on daily basis. So thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed and stay tuned for the new upcoming videos.